Here's an easy and delicious baked salmon recipe with a delicious creamy mayo topping. Baked salmon with creamy topping. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, 6 ounces each, 1/3 cup mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard optional for tang, 1 teaspoon garlic powder or fresh minced garlic, salt and pepper to taste, optional, lemon slices, fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or foil. Prepare salmon. Place the salmon fillets skin side down on the prepared baking sheet. Pat them dry with paper towels. Make mayo topping. In a small bowl, mix mayonnaise, Dijon mustard if using, garlic powder, salt and pepper until smooth. Top the salmon. Spread the mayo mixture evenly over the top of each salmon fillet. Optional, add a lemon slice on top for extra flavor. Bake. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. The mayo topping will be golden and creamy. Serve, garnish with fresh parsley if desired, and serve warm with vegetables, rice, or a salad. This mayo topping keeps the salmon moist and adds a rich, flavorful crust. Perfect for any occasion.